Want to bridge the gap between your CRM data and behavioral analytics? Here's how to automatically sync new HubSpot contacts to Mixpanel profiles in just 2 simple steps. First, we set up a trigger that monitors HubSpot for new contacts. This runs every hour, checking for any contacts created since the last sync. When it finds new contacts, it captures all their key information: email, first name, last name, and creation date. Next, the workflow sends this contact data to Mixpanel using the set once operation. This is smart because it creates a new profile if the contact doesn't exist, or safely updates an existing one without overwriting data. The email becomes the unique identifier, and we map the contact's name and creation date as profile properties. The result? Every HubSpot contact automatically becomes a Mixpanel profile, giving you a unified view for smarter segmentation and personalized campaigns. This template takes just minutes to set up, but creates lasting value by connecting your sales and marketing data. So get MESA, the AI automation platform that helps you do more with less effort. Get started today with templates like this one, or build your own workflows from scratch. Make it happen at getmesa.com.